One day, in the garden of guavas, the golden dragon was feeling grumpy. He grumbled,
"Why am I not able to growl? Why is my throat feeling so itchy?"
The little girl with a trunk who came to fetch some guavas heard the dragon. The gracious girl poured some warm water from her flask. "Hey, golden dragon, sip some warm water and gargle your itchy throat." The golden dragon obeyed the little girl.
"Ga ga ga, ga ga ga, gargle with the warm water, it makes me feel better." "Thank you, little girl."
After gargling, he felt better and helped the girl in picking the guavas. While picking the guavas, they sang together.
"Ga ga ga, ga ga ga."
Guavas in the garden, ga ga ga. Guavas in the garden, ga ga ga. Let us gather them in the trunk.
Yay! Let us gather them in the trunk. Guavas in the garden, ga ga ga, ga ga ga, ga ga ga.
Guavas in the garden, ga ga ga, ga ga ga. Let us gather them in the trunk. Guavas in the garden, ga ga ga, ga ga ga. Let us gather them in the trunk.
Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
In this episode, we will be learning phonics with Monami. And today, we will learn the sound of a new letter.
Ga ga.
Someone is at the door.
Ga ga ga.
Ah, letter G. Hello letter G.
Letter G has brought a basket for us.
Yes, Monami. So let us see what is inside this basket.
Ga ga ga, ga ga ga. Girl.
Ga ga ga, ga ga ga.
Goat.
Ga ga ga, ga ga ga.
Gold medal.
Ga ga ga, ga ga ga.
Grapes.
Ga ga ga, ga ga ga.
Gift.
Ga ga ga, ga ga ga.
Gloves.
Ga ga ga, ga ga ga.
Goose.
Well done, Monami. Girl, goat, goose, gloves, grapes, gold medal, gift. All these words begin with the G sound, and that is the sound of letter G. This is an uppercase G, a big G, or a capital G, and this is a small g or a lowercase g. Now will you repeat after me? Capital G,
Capital G.
big G,
Big G.
uppercase G,
Uppercase G.
small g,
Small g.
lowercase g.
Lowercase g.
Good. G is a consonant and the sound of letter G is G. Now let us practice the sound of letter G. Let us say it loudly. G, 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 G. Now let us say it softly. G, 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 G. Now let us say it to each other. G, 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 G. Now say it to your friends.
G, 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 G.
Game time. You have to find out G sound in these words. So let's start.
G, 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 G. It's in glasses. G, 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 G. It's in globe. G, 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 G. It's in grasshopper. G, 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 G. It's in garden. G, 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 G. It's in dragon. Dragon, during dragon.
Well done, Monami. Well done, children. Now, time to revise. Which letter is this?
Capital G, uppercase G, big G. Small g, lowercase g.
And what is the sound of letter G?
G, 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 g.
Well done. Children, hope you have enjoyed this lesson with Monami. In our next episode, we will learn the sound of a new letter. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy. And do not forget to like, subscribe,
And share the channel and press the bell icon also. Bye friends.
bye children.